So when you first log into the tool, it will prompt you to start a new project, and then you'll see all the instructions and prerequisites that you need to hook up your setup to this tool. It gives you all of these instructions here, how to set up your BigQuery export, how to give our tool the service account access that we need to your GA4 dataset in BigQuery. So we're not looking at everything that you have in BigQuery, just the GA4 dataset where your testing tool data lives as well. So there's a couple of steps here that you just need to click through. And then you need to find your GA4 property ID, explanations here, and then Google Cloud Project ID as well. And then once you have all that, you can just configure your BigQuery integration and copy paste those into here. And then it should show you as well once it's configured. Once you've done that, you can connect your testing tool and you just kind of choose which ones you're using. And then based on the specific event structures of those tools, it will find your test data in the BigQuery setup. So you can pick multiple as well. If you're using multiple tools, for example, sometimes we see people using like one testing tool on the marketing site, another inside product, but the data is both running into the same GA4 property, then you can query both within the same project in our tool as well. So let's just say I'm using VWO for the moment. And we have 4 integrations set up currently: VWO, AB Tasty, Convert, and Verify, and currently working on Optimizely as well. And basically, we have a little blurb here as well that if you don't see your AB test tool listed, then just let us know and we'll be able to add it like very quickly and easily. So that's not an issue as well. But yeah, let's say you've gotten through all of this setup here. That's pretty much it. So we can go and start seeing what type of experiment data we can query here. Okay, so this is the view that you get once you have connected all your tools. You'll see experiments, metrics, and settings. And currently we have 0 experiments because we have not queried anything yet, so let's go see what we can find. So this is the experiments view. It defaults to the last 90 days, but you can set a custom date as well and the time zone if you want that. But basically you just scan for experiments and it may take a sec. And here we are, scan completed, found 12 new experiments between these date ranges. So you'll get a list of all the experiments, even retroactively if they're stopped already. It will list them out and then you can click into any one of them and see the details. So right now we're not seeing any results yet because we have to choose metrics for our experiments as well. And the metric stuff is actually really cool because you can apply any metric and parameter that you have set up in GA4 for your test analysis. So right now we have only one here. And here we go. It shows you users' conversions, conversion rate, effect, and significance. And you can also toggle between p-value and significance if you want to change that up, and also filter through different kind of start and end dates as well. So yeah, this is just the one metric that we had set up right now, right? But let's go see what else we can find. And basically, if you go to metrics from here or here, you can customize a lot of them. So this is the one that we had right now, lead form submitted. But basically, the cool thing is that, yeah, it will automatically just find every single one that you have set up in GA4 and BigQuery, and you can choose any of them to apply to your tests that are relevant. So let's say like a file download, for example, you can name them however you want as well, based on how your company manages your data naming, data dictionary stuff. You can add a parameter. If that applies, it fetches those automatically as well. But yeah, let's just call it a file download as it is here. Let's say you want something else as well, like menu click, for example. And now they're added. So you can just go back to your experiments, go check them again, and they appear over here. And you can apply however many that you want. Let's refresh and see if they come up. And here we go. It shows you exactly how many you have, all the calculations. And yeah, if you tried to run those SQLs yourself with AI or whatever, it would take a lot of work. So this is pretty cool. It just fetches everything automatically and calculates the stuff for you as well. You can take a screenshot, put it in a report, or use it however you need to in our organization. So that's essentially how it works. You can also rename your experiments here however you want. And currently we're in private beta. We're looking for more people to test it out to understand if it's useful, what else would make it more useful. Obviously, we have a built-in chat over here as well where you can just leave feedback or ask questions, or reach out to me if you have any questions or would like to try it. I'll add a sign up link in the post. If you sign up, you'll get access to the tool immediately. You can just start using it, set everything up. Feel free to reach out if you need help setting anything up. Our day job is still running a CRO analytics agency, so we have a team in place to help anyone set GA and BigQuery up if they need that as well. If you're wanting to do this type of more powerful analysis but need help, let us know. Looking forward to hearing what you think. Thanks.